Hello! I've been making this cover with two cereal boxes. Put one for the front, and I glued my digitals to the underside of the cereal box, and then it had the shiny part on the back. So I glued another cereal box to the back so it didn't have the shiny spot where all the graphics are in the cereal box. And then I took and I sewed this part of a doily onto here. I like how that looks. And of course it had nice sewing stitches on this part now, all the way around. And that keeps the cereal boxes together really, really well. I glued it, but I think the sewing actually makes it better. Now I'm going to apply, also, I don't think I'll have another video up, because I tried to make it and I messed it up. So what I did on that video was I took 2 copies of this digital and I cut out the little labels, and I added more cardboard to the back so you have a 3D effect. And then I cut out the hinges from the second copy and put cardboard on those. So now we have a 3D effect. When you feel the book, you feel everything, and that feels nice. And we're going to add, now on this copy, I didn't get these right together on all of them. Right here I didn't, but that's okay. When you close the book, you won't see that, so don't worry about that. It still looks great. Now I'm gonna put this all over and get it Mod Podged to keep it nice. I'm going to use my handy spatula. Let's see how that turns out. That's what I like to use when I Mod Podge. Less glue everywhere, or Mod Podge. But you gotta be careful when you're using the spatula not to wipe away all your Mod Podge. You get to have some Mod Podge on there. Won't do any good. Now underneath here you can get more Mod Podge around to protect it. In the parts where you added more cardboard all the way around the edges. Just lightly, don't push too hard with your spatula because you don't want to get all the glue off. I keep saying glue, but you know what I mean. Mod Podge. It's easier to say glue. Oops, I closed it. I put my Mod Podge in this little holder from the Dollar Tree because I like it better that way. I don't like it in the big containers and little containers that you can't squish out. Control how much you're getting. And that's what I also like about using this. You're controlling how much you use your spatula. Okay, anyway, just like so, all around, and you'll have a beautiful cover. I think the Mod Podge makes the colors pop too. Okay, so just like this all the way around. Now you can do the inside too. Maybe I should have done that before. You can do it after even. It doesn't matter if it's on fabric, it won't hurt it. Oops, I forgot to do the middle, didn't I? And I'll let this dry while I'm gone taking my son to work. Having car issues again. Seems like we're always battling a car issue. So I'm taking him to work. Alright. All done. Okay, I hope you enjoy this tutorial video, and I'll try to get another part of it when I get back. See you later.